guys, happy Planner Wednesday. And this spread I'm really excited about. A viewer requested that I do Elvis, and I thought that was a wonderful idea, so that's what I'm gonna do. And this spread is from May the 7th through the 13th. So let me show you the paper that I found. I got this at Michael's and I just love it. To me, it screams Elvis with the pretty blues and the sparkly glitz, but yet elegant. I love it. And then I'm going to use, I found both of these washies at Michael's as well. And he always had gold on his belt, but they also have a silver, but I think I'm gonna stick true and use the gold. And then I made my own stickers, and I'm just gonna use this little Sharpie marker. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everyone loved the monkeys theme. I had so much fun doing that. Okay, I have decided that I want this to be the dominant paper. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. My mom and I actually went and saw Elvis in concert in the early 70s, and he was wonderful. I was in elementary school, I think like 6th grade or something like that. Okay, let's lay our paper out. I think this is gonna be really pretty though. I loved his costumes. He had such pretty ones. And to me, he never goes out of style. Oh, I think that's gonna look really nice. Okay, let's glue our paper down. And I found this paper, like I said, at Michael's, and it was on sale. They had 50% off. Seems like every time I go there, they've had 50% off their washi and their paper. So you can't beat that. This paper right here is so thick and heavy. But to me, it's Elvis. Oh, I think that's really turning out nice. Okay, so now let's put our washi down. And to me, this looked like his belt. This washi isn't all that sticky though. And I think I'm gonna take this down through here as well. Okay, I think that looks really nice. Now let's put our stickers down. Like I said, I made them. This one just says Elvis in concert. I actually had that album. I don't know if much is gonna stick to that paper. But I thought I would do this. A lot of people like the young Elvis. I like them both, but I really like the older Elvis better. So I thought I would do all this in like just where he had done concerts and things like this when he was older. But I think that's going to be really pretty. Okay, I'm going to put this one where he gave that interview. I think he looks really good. I'm going to put this about right here, and it plays off that blue nicely. All right, and we're going to put this with his cape. And then I'm going to put this one from Hawaii. I love that. I watched that when it was live. Okay, and then right here, I love this one too. I love them all. It's hard to find a bad picture of Elvis. Okay, and then here he's standing in another blue jumpsuit. And he's really getting into his performance. He gave a very good performance. He always did. I think I'll put this one right up here. Kind of just split it. And this one right here, I think I'll put right down here. No, I think I'll stick it over here on this side. And then this, I'm going to put this one right here. I will tell you, if you do a spread like this, if you use this really glittery paper, it's hard to get anything to stick to it. All right, and then this one where he's in Hawaii, I think is gorgeous. I'll put that one right there. And then this one where he's in his really dark blue suit. I think I'll put this one right here. And this one here where he's on his knees. He was always such a cut up, but very talented. Oh my. Let's see, maybe I'll put this one maybe like right in here. And then the last one, I just found one where he was really grinning and he looked happy at that interview. And I'm gonna put this one right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna write down a few things, not a lot. Okay, let's put it back in here and take a look, but I think it turned out really cute. I really do like it. It does give the feel for him. And then what I did is I went ahead and printed out another sticker and made it bigger. And I love this one. It just shows what all he does in his concerts. He was wonderful, like I said. So I'm just gonna pop this. I just went ahead and used my hole punch and cut it and then just stuck it on there. So there's the spread, but I think it really turned out nice. I love this idea that they had. I'm so glad I did it. The only thing, I love the paper and I love my stickers and I love this washi. It's just if you get anything like this, even the stickers do not want to stick on them, even if you put glue. So that's the only thing. But I really do love this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.